And then what do?
We rub our meat.
Rub our meat, go ahead.
That's a new skill I learned today.
It's road tripping, it's food tripping, it's day tripping with Heinz Verified. So no fork was amazing this morning. I think I'm still full from that breakfast.
And that was good?
It was so good. You should have been there.
I wish I was. That was kind of the point.
You were outside in the, I forgot.
I was here again waiting.
Yeah, maybe you should come join us sometime. You know, if
that'd be great.
You're not the van. We're gonna go to this place called Sweet Pork Wilson's and meet its owner, Jason. Hopefully, you know, I'll get to learn a little bit about the grill, about being a pitmaster. Why is it called a pitmaster? Because it's a pit.
Barbecue pit.
Is that what they call a barbecue pit?
Yes, barbecue pit.
Oh, that's cool.
I already smell.
I see this. Is that the smoker?
Yes, do you smell it?
Oh boy, I do smell it. Oh,
I smell that already.
I didn't even need the map to know I've arrived at Sweet Pork Wilson's because you can smell the barbecue from around the corner. I saw the barbecue pit right outside. Hopefully I'll get to try my hand at that, learn a few skills from its owner, Jason, and we'll definitely enjoy some barbecue. Let's go. Tell me about how Sweet Pork Wilson got started.
Cooking as a little kid, watching my mom cook, you know what I mean? When I started playing football, I was a big guy, so I was always like the team cook. You know what I mean? Guys would always come over to my house.
Of course.
Every Sunday at my house, that was the thing to do, man. We kind of just recuperated from a game. I would be smoking food, cooking food, frying chicken.
Your team must have loved you.
Yeah, they did. I was the guy. Yeah, we had fun.
When did you guys start Sweet Pork Wilson's?
18 months ago. 18 months ago. So we're still getting our footing, man. We're still learning and burning, that's what I say. And we're getting better every day.
Learning and burning.
Learning and burning. Learning and burning. We're getting better every day, man. We gotta get right to work, man. We got a long cook. We got our pulled pork right here, and we got some brisket. Both of these are 12 to 15 hour cooks, so let's get it going.
How long?
12 to 15 hours.
Woo! Okay, let me get dressed up.
Yeah, let's go, man. It's not Mardi Gras, but we'll lay you. Here you go, man.
I am
All right,
honored.
there you go. My man.
Okay, I'm ready. Tell me.
All right, so look, we're gonna start with a brisket. This is our beef brisket right here. This is the hardest cooking barbecue right here, man. Texas is known for brisket, and we do it the same way they do. We use post oak, and we use salt and pepper. And like I said, our salt and pepper tastes the same way their salt and pepper tastes, right? So I don't see a difference. We're gonna take a generous amount of it. Yep, keep going.
Keep going, oh.
Yep, and then I'm gonna come and rub it in. You gotta rub your meat. That's what we do here at Sweet Pork Wilson's. We get it in there.
Step one, rub your meat.
You rub your meat, step one. Then we're gonna get this other side here.
Other side, the skin side as well.
And then what do?
We rub our meat.
Rub our meat, go ahead.
That's a new skill I learned today.
So next is our pork butt here. So we score it, we cut it like that to score it so it gets in there. And why not? So salt and pepper again on that.
This is fun.
Get in that one too. And then what?
Wow, and then we rub
our meat, right? We gotta rub our meat. We gotta rub our meat.
time today.
Gotta rub our meat, man. We're good, we're ready to go. My man Ken is gonna take it out to the smoker. We're gonna get that out there so we can eat later. Woo. Jay Money, you wanna help me get this out here too, sweetheart? This is Ken's wife. It's a family affair here, man. I got my wife here, it's a team, it's all family here.
You guys have such a cool vibe in the kitchen, man.
We haven't had a lot of staff turnover. A lot of the faces that you'll see, you'll always see. They'll greet you with a smile, they know what you want. That's the special sauce. It's like how we treat people and just the community that we created.
This is like a place I want to just come hang out.
Yeah, that was the point, man. That was the point. It was supposed to be an extension of the backyard.
I love that, an extension of the backyard. That is so cool.
When we first opened this, there was a huge transit community and a unhoused population that was across the street. So the first thing I did, I engaged everybody, right? We fed them. I said, you'll never go hungry a day around me, right? If you don't got it, I have it. We want people to come here and everybody to come here and feel welcome, right? We feed everybody under the rainbow. Look at me, bro. I got them. Like, I mean, it's not snooty, uppity or anything like that. It's just chill. It's Cleveland. So I believe every pitmaster makes his own sauce, right? So we've already started off. We've got one ketchup is the base of our sauce already in there. So I'm gonna let you take it away and finish the rest of the stuff and I'll walk you through it.
Let's do it.
The next thing I do is we go with some orange marmalade. I want you to get a good generous amount of that orange marmalade in there.
Yeah, I've never heard of orange marmalade in barbecue sauce. Is that like a unique invention here?
It is, because before I would use orange juice and I just found that the orange marmalade was a little bit richer.
All right. How many scoops?
Oh, as much as you want, we're all right.
As much as I want, all right.
It'll take it.
Hey.
All right, and then we're gonna go with some Old Bay, all of it. Garlic powder, onion powder, celery salt. I can't tell you what that one is.
That's the secret.
That's the secret one. That's the secret one. Shh. And then a little lemon juice.
Okay.
A little lemon juice. So this is brown sugar. We're just gonna dump all that brown sugar in there.
All of it.
All of it.
Okay.
Then we stir, whisk it, then we cook it off for about 30 minutes. All the sauce, everything kind of melts together, marries together. And that's our barbecue, that's American sauce, that's our barbecue sauce.
So next step, the marinated meats, they go into the smoker.
Absolutely. We'll go out there and take a look at the smoker, but I knew you guys were coming, so we start cooking a day ahead, right? We gotta stay ahead of the game in the barbecue game, man, because it takes so long to cook.
I'm excited to check that out. Okay, let's go. What area of cuisine would you say like is your signature that everyone loves or you?
Cooking with fire, right? I smoke lamb chops, I smoke lobster tails, just cooking outside with live fire, using wood to do some of the flavor and whatnot. Life is good when you're burning wood. That's what we say, man. Some of the tables are hickory and oak, the same kind of wood we burn out there, so we wanted to incorporate that into the theme.
Okay, that's like, this is where your flavor comes from. This wood right here.
Ready? Yeah, so
I'm not gonna lie, before I even saw the building, I smelled this.
right.
This looks like magic. It looks like something straight out of like a wizarding movie.
This is James Brown, man. We call him James Brown, the hardest working man in the smoking business right here, right? You never stop, 365 days a year. Rain, sleet, or snow, the smoker must blow. We got a little gray day today, but we're still out here. This is where we do our ribeyes, our burgers, and our salmon. Temperature gets about 150, 175 over here. Over here, it's the furnace, Hell's Kitchen. So we do our cold smoking in here, right? We want to get a lot of flavor. We don't want to overcook things.
Cold smoke.
The temp. So here's our certified Angus beef burger. We smoke them, and then if you want to know medium well done, we can still achieve that and still have the smoky flavor on it. And then we got our Slammin salmon for the famine, right? We get this one, yeah, just beautiful. And then that butter taste on the smoke flavor of the grill. That's the whole trick right there, man.
Let's move on to this. I've been staring at this at the corner of my eye.
All right, so now it's a little hotter over here, right? So we got some baby back ribs going right here. So everybody likes baby backs. We
Yes.
love the baby backs. We got brisket smoking right here. Second row right here, my man Ken with the master plan. We got some ribeyes. We hand cut them ourselves, certified Angus beef.
I didn't know ribeyes can be smoked like a barbecue.
You're still gonna taste it, man. That's what we do. I think we're the only ones who do it in this area for sure.
Yeah.
Down south, they do it a lot, so we said, why not? Those briskets have been there since last night. Yeah.
it continues?
Oh, yeah. We don't stop. Yeah, it just keeps rolling. Ken lives 2 blocks down. He'll feed it. I'll feed the smoker. And it just constantly goes from, I would say, Monday night till tonight. And we're closed, yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of seasoning. But like the best way, you know?
Right.
Oh, and here's the sweetness. Is that from the smoke?
A little bit of sweetness is coming from the smoke, but I would probably say it's from our dry rub a little bit, which has that little brown sugar in it that helps in the caramelization. So we'll get into some collard greens and salmon. The trick with the salmon is the butter.
I smoke it.
Yeah, smoking it in the butter. The butter kind of takes on the flavor of the smoke, and then we'll get into it.
Wow, that just melted. My God, this is delicious.
The Slammin salmon for the famine.
For the veteran. What's been like the most popular dish so far?
Ribs, macaroni and cheese, the cornbread, and our chicken wings that we smoke, and then we toss them in whatever kind of sauce that you want.
Every smokehouse I go to, the ribs is always my favorite.
There you go, boss.
Oh my God, it's so tender.
Right. That's why we went with the baby back. We go low and slow. The pink in them, we smoke them, finish them in the oven for like 45 minutes, man, they're delicious.
Wow, I taste the sauce that you taught me how to make. I love that hint of sweetness. Actually, the hint of sweetness is everywhere, and it's not overpowering.
Right. Sweet pork Wilson's, baby. That's why I got sweet pork Wilson's. I feel like it's sweet.
I never knew how barbecue sauce was made. Did you know that?
Worcestershire sauce and stuff.
Worcestershire sauce. Heinz told me about this place called Westsiders that we're gonna visit right now. I'm super excited. We're gonna go verify them, maybe give them some gifts, and we're gonna get you something to eat.
Brilliant. I would love to have something to eat this time.
Westsiders, we are here. I think they've got something for you. I'll see you in a second.
I'm losing consciousness, so.
Yeah, it's been 2 days, so I'll get something back real quick. Hello,
Hey there.
I'm Steven. Nice to
There you
meet
go.
you.
Very nice to meet you, Steven.
Jacob.
Got some pasta for you here.
Ooh, pasta. What kind of pasta?
So this is our pasta alla vodka, one of our most popular pasta dishes. It is a spicy pasta. It's a Casarecce noodle. The base is heavy cream, Calabrian chili, garlic, and some Heinz tomato paste.
So I love Heinz tomato paste.
Me too.
Fantastic. I want you to know that Heinz is a big fan of you, and they've given me some gifts. I'll bring them back in just a second.
Awesome, thank you.
This is Heinz tomato ketchup with pickle seasoning.
Oh, amazing. This has to be killer.
One more thing, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Here it is, the Heinz Verified box.
Amazing.
It's very special.
Is that what I think it is?
What do you think it is?
Everything I've ever wanted.
Randy, you are gonna love this place. That is some pasta with some great sauces. So they made you a pasta alla vodka. The sauce is delicious. Enjoy. Take your time. Is it good? Yeah. Oh. I didn't realize it took 10 minutes longer than it was supposed to take, and we gotta go like now. I'll take it for you. Don't worry, you get plenty of time.
So you're taking my food once again?
It's not very convenient to eat while you're driving anyway, so we'll make sure you got a lot of time to eat it afterwards, yeah?